We've been avoiding this specific door since the day we moved into our Bulgarian homestead. And today, we're finally opening it. Immediately, we found this. It looks like an old gardening tool, but honestly, it looks way more like something out of a horror movie. Deep in the dark, we uncovered canned food that seems to have been sitting here for over a decade. And against our better judgment, we actually tasted it. But the biggest shock wasn't on the shelves. It was hidden right under our feet. Is that a root? A massive root system that just completely derailed our renovation plans. Things are about to get messy. Welcome to Fresh Start Sticks, a family of 5 that left the UK, moved abroad and bought a house in rural Bulgaria. But that's not where the story ends.
Oh my word, that's massive.
I know. So it's probably going all the way underneath here, so if I'm going it all the way around, and this way it's going that way.
It's massive.
I'll try not to.
You're going to have to do the whole square.
I know, I'm going to have to. I didn't want to, it's more work.
But I think at least if you do it properly once, it's done, innit?
Yeah. Gosh, man. Well, apparently in Bulgaria, temporary is long term.
Not in our case. Not in rural Bulgaria, it's not.
Well, clearly I'm not doing it properly then. I need to do it like a Bulgarian. I need to learn from the Bulgarskis.
I think so. Look at that.
Yeah, that won't be great anymore.
It's massive.
This only started with me just doing one, thinking I'll do a couple, tidy them up. I did the area there, think I'll leave it. And then I'm moving over one, and I start like, then next you know, this happens. I do not want to go past that. That's not it. That's not it. Yeah, but I'm going to stop there. I can do this section another time.
Yeah.
I'm trying to keep it square as I can. Then later on, if I need to, I can do that separately. I think it's that one because that's not a big tree. So that's a big root. What will more be the end of one of that one? You can see the root's quite big. It wouldn't be the biggest end. It would be big that end.
The thing is, we've not recently cut this tree, so I don't understand how these roots last so long.
I think they're dead and trees can just grow back if you leave them. That's only a piece of it. It's not even all of it. It's broken up to bits now. Actually thought in my head, that's it, I'm done. Clearly not. If you get hardcore, don't throw it away. Pile it up somewhere because you never know. Things like this is going to come in handy.
We've not explored that door in that barn yet. Let's get in there. And through that door, we don't know what to expect. Take it all back out again, cut them and put them into the wood stack.
Might stack them along this bit and cover them over.
Yeah.
Move all this and stack them on the odd and then just cover them over here. Got no motivation to be moving that.
We'll just do it together.
Don't know, these boxes are nice, can paint them and do them up. There's two, there's so in that one.
Almost repurpose them to a store box, wood store box at the side there.
It'll start rotting outside.
In here or outside?
No, in here, in those boxes for now. When I cut them up smaller.
Oh.
What's up? What's up? What movie did that come from?
Scary movie.
Yeah. I've always wanted one of these.
Whoa, whoa.
All right, sorry.
What are you doing?
Sorry. I've always wanted one of these.
Look how blunt it is.
It's not blunt. Let me check in practice.
No. Gosh, man.
What's up? All right, sorry.
Can't bring him anywhere.
I'm gonna... Right. Door, it's like a Fort Knox in here. Got a door. What's this for?
Slap someone.
All right. I'm not going to ask who. Need to keep this door open and get locked in like some scary movie. Not many with cobblers in here, to be fair. Right. Oh, some proper bowls in here. I'm taking them.
Scary in there. Light.
Right, in here we've got jam. Oh, we've got bottles, look. Probably for juices.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look, these.
Got some bottles here.
More jars.
It's really dusty in here. I'm choking.
We've got...
For the first time in this room, one place that we've not actually explored.
And we've got some seeds.
Oh, is that pumpkin seeds?
I'll have a look. Look, got some
Lutenitsa.
Lutenitsa.
Is that homemade?
Yeah, and all looks good. Menu, please. Oh, we've got gherkins.
Oh, and whole tomatoes in there.
A hot raw, okay.
That looks nice.
Yeah, tomato
Definitely
puree.
try that.
What's this again?
No, it's some sort of bean.
Oh, it looks like a lettuce or leaf.
Look at it. Look inside it.
Oh, yes, it is. We're over there. We'll taste another video.
I ain't trying that. I'm not tasting that.
I ain't trying that, stupid. I found another knife, one of these. Guys, my neighbour said some of these maybe even 30 to 40 years old. Oh, need tools?
Gardening?
Huh?
I don't know.
Gardening. Theft, that's what that's called. Picking and choosing.
I don't know
now.
why I'm being picky and choosy, because it all looks a bit like it shouldn't be tried. Why have they gone black?
They're not black. It's just the water. It's just the vinegar.
Oh, right.
They look all right. They're not gone black. And the glass is kind of a dark green tint as well.
Right, let's try it.
You know, they put so little in there. Probably that's all they had. Oh, they're like cherries.
Cherries.
Cherries. We'll show you properly when we get outside.
Yeah.
That's peach.
Yeah, I've got one of those.
Yeah, that's something else.
Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Oh, go. There's a lot of stuff in there. I can't wait to come in here and clear this out. Really clear it out properly. Clear it off. And this can be our canning shed. So we'll take them, have a look at what we've got outside and see what we can eat.
10 years in a bottle, and we're just about to taste it now. We got from the storage in the barn, and we're going to try them. Tomatoes, cherries, gherkin, and a huge tomato in there. Peas, peach. So we're going to wash it all off and give it a try. It's truly amazing how much history you get when you buy a Bulgarian house. This canning is one thing that is part of the Bulgarian culture. And a lot of us now don't know how to do this. The previous people that used to live here has taken this knowledge with them. Being a younger generation, we are going to learn how they did it and do it ourselves.
It'd be amazing.
I know.
Right. This smell test doesn't look very appetizing. What do I know? Right, you be the first to taste this one.
No, I'm always the first tasting stuff. This is definitely your turn.
Right. I'm gonna taste one. Right, I'm gonna taste one. What is it again?
Peas.
Peas, right, okay. You think I'm eating a ridger grub the way I'm doing? Just hang on. So I'm a celebrity, get me out of Bulgaria. Yeah?
So how does it taste?
Like peas?
Yeah?
Yeah. If it was a bit vinegarish or brine. Yeah?
Yeah, it tastes really good.
I don't know what this is. This could be like 10 years old for all I know. It was in the back of this barn, covered in cobwebs and rat poo and everything else. We washed it all up, obviously. This is what it is. It's nature, isn't it?
It smells similar to the other one, actually.
Is that vinegar or brine?
Okay.
Yeah? This is my favourite.
This is really nice, isn't it?
I could sit here and eat all these off.
I know, literally.
Right, I didn't actually need a second taste of this one. Yeah. Right, I'm gonna make the kids taste.
They were wondering what it was, so they may as well taste it. It's like something you know.
These are very old.
They're 30.
Oh, sorry, you can have one more as
They
well.
may be even older than you guys.
I think Monica wants one too. There's lots of those. I see. You hear the, yeah.
Is that good?
Yeah, so basically it's airtight.
Right.
If you don't hear that, then it probably isn't airtight.
But the others were.
Yeah, I know, I heard them too.
That just wasn't as loud.
Stored correctly. I don't know about that one. What do you think?
Yeah, it tastes all right. These, what are these? Gherkins, da. We'll chop a gherkin up. Oh, gosh. That got me!
That is the gherkins in there.
I'm kind of confident with gherkins.
See, that's vinegar.
Yeah.
See that? Does?
Brine does kind of change the taste of it, though.
That's, yeah.
Because that's the thing, it's,
Anyway.
Brine. It's like salted water.
so it preserves things. Right, I'm trying this one. That looks like apple, or it could be a pear, and I've got the first taste. Let's see what this is.
Is it sweet?
It could be pear. It could be pear. Yeah.
I'm a little bit scared to have this one, but because your reaction wasn't really
No, but
cool.
it's not horrible. It's just different. It tastes like pear. The texture's like pear. The skin.
It is pear.
Pear. Okay.
Quite nice. Oh my gosh.
Glorious peach, eh?
That is going to be the best. That and the cherries.
We need ice cream.
I know.
Oh gosh.
I'm getting some this week.
Get ice cream.
We're going to sit out here and have some ice cream with our canned fruits.
Yep.
It's crazy. When you're tasting something that's been done years ago and it still tastes like the original item that was put into the liquid to preserve it. Even better.
I'd say all fish taste better than the latest ones.
Yeah,
I
exactly.
wonder what our pear's gonna taste like.
I know. Our pears will taste like this. It's from the same tree.
But better.
And the cherries, these cherries there, is from the tree too.
I know Liam wants to be the first this time.
Not necessarily.
Ah,
There
again.
you go again.
Let's see. This tastes as sloppy as it looks. It reminds me of mango. Look at that. It reminds me of mango. It looks okay, but it looks a bit sloppy. But here goes. Right, okay.
It's nice. Oh my gosh.
I didn't think it'd be that nice.
That one.
Oh, this dog's wondering why she's not getting on.
How's it taste? Nice?
Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
with ice cream again.
Imagine this is from our tree.
I know. With ice cream. So
Right.
one more left.
Cherry.
Cherry. I'm more nervous about tasting strawberries and cherries, but cherry looks a little bit more appealing.
Looks a bit faded to me. That's the cherries.
That's the jar it came from.
Sweet. It's really nice.
Ice cream.
Imagine soaking this in rakia. Monica. Oh my gosh, this dog's gone. She's a little escape artist, look. She's gone. She's gone. I'm gonna go get the kids. They're going down there for her. Hey, Vanessa, come. Monica's escaped. Now I need you guys to go up there and get her, please. Our neighbour's turned up. He is gonna cut the grass for us. Evo, you can see him in the background there. Chris is just moving all the big sticks so it don't get stuck in his tractor, which is just fantastic. Chris is just thanking his lucky days that he's come back. Okay.
Right, our friend Evo's just turned up and he said he'll cut our big field back for us. And I've just got to clear some twigs.
It's so warm. I opened the gate for one split second and she was gone. Oh, you're back. Monica, oh, you're back. Good girl. Oh, she came back. No, no, not again. Stay. Monica. Monica. Oh, no, you're not going anywhere. It has been like plus 35 today. Today has been super hot. It's been like 35 degrees today. Tomorrow apparently it's going to get even hotter.
Burn that grass, it doesn't grow back as quick.
I think I just saw an empty nest.
Yeah.
Timbers, the other ones. There we go. All nicely watered. That is it, guys. Everything's been watered and it's the end of the day. Whilst I water these plants, just want to say thank you all for joining us and we'll see you again. Yeah, sorry, I did just drop you. See you next week. Bye.